discuss LeetCode problem number 21, merge two sorted lists, Python solution. But before we discuss, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now back to the problem. You are given two sorted linked lists like 1, 2, 4 and 1, 3, 4, and you need to merge them like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So that's the problem. So let us take a look at the Python solution. Like this is the initial node creation for constructor sort of thing for Python. So you have merged two sort lists. So you have to sort in place basically. You're not creating a new linked list. You just are going to adjust the links so that and return the head node so that when I traverse that list, it is merged and sorted. And so you start off with the dummy list node. This actually helps. So it's called like a sentinel node kind of thing, which helps you with the initial process. And then you set the current to that dummy node. And then initially you just go to the when both list 1 and list 2 are not empty, and then rest of the stuff you just need to attach basically the other linked list, whichever one is remaining. So here you need to merge them one by one based on which one is bigger, because both of them are non-null here. So you go through list 1, list 2, and if list 1 is less than list 2, then you set the current dot next equals to list 1, and then list 1 equals to list 1 dot next. I'll show you a GIF actually, which is much better. And this one is else you do the opposite, and then you set current equals to current dot next. And then if list 1 remains, you just attach the list 1 to the current node, and then otherwise you attach the list 2 to the current dot next. Let us take a look at this run. Actually, it is much better. So let me start from the top. So this is the basically the initial setup. You have current dot next dummy, which is set report, which is pointing to null, and now you have list 1, 1, 2, 4, and then list 2, 1, 3, 4. Now after the initial step, because if you see list 1 is less than list 2, so 1 is less than 1, which becomes false, so we go into the else section beginning. So that's why you assign current dot next equals to based on this sentence, current dot next equals list 2. So that's what makes the merged list as 1, 3, 4. And then current dot next current equals to current dot next, and so the list 2 actually becomes list 2 dot next. So that's what makes it instead of 1, 3, 4, this one becomes 3, 4, list 2. So let us go to the next one. So in the next one, if basically the 1 is less, so it attaches to 1, 1, 2, 4. That's how the merge list becomes. And then list 1 equals list 1 dot next, so it becomes 2 and 4. And then 2 is less than 3, so it becomes still, it just moves in that same linked list, but here list 1 becomes 4, and next 3 is smaller, so list 1 becomes 4 and list 2 becomes 4, and then it becomes 3 gets attached, and then it becomes 3, 4, and then afterwards list 1 remains, but whenever they are equal, it moves to the list 2, so list 2 becomes null, and then you have 1, 1, 2, 4, and then list 1 also becomes null, so it ends up with this merged list as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now let us take a look at the same run basically with logging. Starting merge of two linked lists, choosing load from list 2 initially, and then list 1, and then list 2, and then list 2, and then after list 4, and then the merged list becomes 1, 1, 2 3 4 4. Comment below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.